down, smoking high, I am not round. I'm not round, no denying what I got now. I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down. Locked down.
Good day people. So today we're just going to do a quick vid on how to do a headlight bulb on a 407. So the back of your headlight here, you find a rubber cap. Just pop your rubber cap off. You see your bulb there. You want to pull your wire off like that, and these little prongs here lift up, move to the side like that, then your bulb pulls out. Just remember which way your bulb goes in like that into your light on your driver's side. It is a H1 bulb, so when you go to buy a new one, that's what you want, is a H1. So get your new bulb, just put it back in the way you took it out, like that. Put your clip over, grab your other clip, lift that back over like that, and just plug it back in. There we go. Put your cap back on. There we go.